Hey friends, this is Billy Tea Garden. We're back in the kitchen. I'm a tea garden today, as you know. If you've seen any of my videos, you know what we do. We talk, we cook, we fix things, whatever comes about. But as you can see, I'm back in my hot-ass kitchen again. Like I say, I'm going to get a fan one of these days. I've been doing it for 4 years, and I guess it just gives me something to gripe about, right? So anyways, like I told you, I've been working on some different recipes and stuff, but this is a pretty popular one amongst kids. I used to love these when I was little. I'm going to show you guys how to make chocolate peanut butter no-bake cookies. The hardest part of this is the fudge part. If you can't get this first part in the pot of making the fudge part, then don't try to make chocolate fudge for holidays or whatever, because it's just the same thing. So before we get started, I've asked you guys many times, please hit that subscribe button. I would sure appreciate it. As I say, it don't cost you nothing. It is so free. Helps me out more than you know. Also, please don't forget to like and turn on notifications so you'll know when my next video is going to drop. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Let's get started. So, like I said, I used to love these when I was little. My grandmother used to be a grocery store in town, and these were $1, I remember back then, maybe 50 cents, 75 cents. But anyways, I love these, and I still do today. I mean, who doesn't? Like I said, the fudge part of making this is the hardest part. So when you have your finished product and you're dropping them out, they set hard, they set right. Took me quite a while to get this, but of course back years ago I did, and there's a few tricks to it, and I'm going to show you guys how to make these. If you'll follow what I say, they will not fail. They will come out right. So, show you guys what I've got going on here. So, in my pot already, I have got a half a cup of milk. I have got 3 tablespoons of baking cocoa and a pinch of salt, and a half a cup of butter. Cocoa, salt, milk. Yeah, in that pot. As I say, at the end, I'll give you guys the recipe and lay it all out for you. Then also, I have a teaspoon of vanilla. I have 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of quick oats oatmeal, and then a half a cup of peanut butter. So I think that's it. Yeah. So that's what we got to get started here. So first, I have got my chocolate going here. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to cook this. This takes a little time, so we're going to cook this till it boils. We're going to let it boil 2 minutes or so, and then we're going to turn it down. We're going to boil it again. Bring it up again. What we want is our chocolate to lose its gloss. Chocolate is real glossy, when you cook it. So what we want is that to lose its gloss. Don't be in a hurry to make this fudge. Like I said, if you can get the fudge part of this, then you've got fudge for the holidays. It's the same thing, except we're adding peanut butter and oats to our fudge, to make our no-bake cookies. This takes a little time. We're going to stir and stir, and we're going to we got it, I think, mixed up pretty good now. Yeah, it's mixed up pretty good. So we're going to let this go, and it will start boiling. We're going to let it come to a rapid boil. We're going to turn it back down, and then we're going to bring it to a rapid boil again, about 2 minutes each. This is doing, it's going to crystallize. If it doesn't crystallize, it won't make your set cookie. So we want this to crystallize. The crystallizing state. If you go too far, it'll turn just into sugar. That's it. So I'm going to get this to a boil, let it boil a couple of times, and I'll be back and show you guys where we're at. So I'll be right back. Folks, I did make a little mistake here, and I am human. I do make mistakes. But I want to tell you guys where my mistake was. I forgot. I can't believe I've done this, but I forgot to put my sugar in my pot with my butter, my milk, and my salt. I forgot all about it. So now we have our sugar incorporated into it, and now we're working it. I knew something, the texture wasn't right. I knew something wasn't right here. And I looked over and I said, oh shit, no wonder I forgot to put my sugar in. So, as I said, I'm human. I forgot something, but I just wanted to let you all know I've got my sugar in here. Like I said, we're going to bring this to a rapid boil, to a good boil, a couple of minutes. We're going to turn it down. We're going to bring it back to a boil again. But we want it to lose this shimmer that it's got. See that shimmer? We want it to lose that. We want it to look dull. Once it's dull, we know it's going to set right. So, as I said before, I'll be back. Once I get this to a boil, I'll show you guys what we're looking like, and we'll go from there. So, you all bear with me. I'll be right back. Okay, folks, I've got this to one boil now. I've got this under a light. You see how it's got the two different colors? One of it is, part of it is dull and part of it is glossy. Well, when we get to where we want it, all of it will look like that dull part. I just wanted to show you what we look like after one boil. So that's what you're going to look like. So we're going to put it on for our second boil. Be back. Okay, I want to show you guys what it looks like when it's a boiling. It's going to look like this when it's boiling. Don't stir it. Don't mess with it. Just let it boil. Don't put your spoon in it. Don't stir it. Don't mess with it. Just let it boil. About 2 minutes or so. Like I said, this is our second boil. We'll see what we look like when we get this one done. And we'll go from there. So I just wanted to show you guys what the boil looks like. It will sit there. It will do this. Like I said, don't stir it. Don't mess with it. Just let it go. So again, I'll be back after this boil. We'll see what we look like. Okay, folks, we have got our second boil. You see that it's better. We've got more of the dullness. This is the trick to the whole thing, is getting the texture of your chocolate right. Some people can do this on a first boil. Me, I baby it till it gets to the third. Now, there's an old trick you can use. Take you a spoon of it and put it in some cold tap water. Okay? And what this will do is, when it's done, it will form a soft ball in the cold water. You see, it's there, it's getting there, but it's not completely there. See that? It's getting there, but it's not completely there. After this boil, we should have it. So, see that? It's good. So, it should make a soft ball, you know, a soft ball of chocolate, and stick together is what it should do. And it's getting there, but not exactly there yet. So, hang with me. Now, folks, I have actually done the water test, and let me show you what happens when it's there. In our cold tap water, we're going to mix this with our fingers. It won't take long, and it comes out. There you go. It's a soft little ball. See how it hangs together now? Now, we're just about there. So, I wanted to show you guys what it looks like when we get there, and now we are. So we have to be quick, fast about this, and add our oatmeal, our peanut butter, and our vanilla, and stir it and get it on our wax paper before it starts setting up, because this will start setting up pretty quick. So let me get this mixed together. I'm gonna get it on my wax paper, and I'll show you guys our finished product here. And like I said, and as I said before, we will lose that sheen. So I got to get this, and I'll be back. Okay, folks, I think we got it. I have already mixed together. I have already put them down to cool, and they have already set. So let me show you what we got. There we go. No bake chocolate oatmeal cookies. And that's what you get. Not easy to make. The boiling of the chocolate is the hardest part of it. Sometimes you got to boil twice. Humidity, temperature, all that can play into your cookies coming out right. So if you haven't made these in the first time, make a small batch, a little pot, so you know whether you want to boil. Go by time. Try 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. I think generally I go about 5 minutes altogether, I think. But like I said, one of the not so easy cookies to make, but they are truly awesome. So like I said, at the end of this, I'll post a full recipe, and you guys try it out. See what you think. The worst you can do is overcook it or undercook it. If you undercook it, it'll come out gooey. If you overcook, you won't get to put them out. It'll harden before you can. So just try it, see what you come up with, see what you think. And leave me something in the comments. Let me know if you've tried this or one of my other recipes, and let me know how it came out, if you need any help. Any comments. Maybe you've got another way to fix these that I don't know about. I've heard of people microwave cooking them. I have heard of all kinds of different ways. But these are not one of the easier cookies to bake. But once you get it, you got it. Just remember your recipe. Remember what you've done. Just leave me something in the comments. Like I said, let me know what you think. And don't forget again to subscribe, to like, and turn on notifications so you'll know when my next video comes out. I thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. Till next time, love you guys. See ya.